What's up, guys? My name is Alex. I joined Blue Capital about a month ago. Prior to this, I did not know anything about trading. I didn't know what a pip was, a candlestick was, literally zero experience, and I got way more than I had expected here. I've learned to trade, I've learned market structure, I've actually learned how to apply a skill set and make a lot more money than I even expected and join a really crazy cool culture. That's the best part. What I got here is I figured I'd come in, learn a skill, hopefully make some money, but I got way more than that. I got friends, I got culture, and I just got something I'm for sure gonna be with for the rest of my life. And also, best part is, in less than a month, I made over $14,000 and I'm brand new to Forex trading. Didn't know anything. So check this out. Right there is my MT4. So, as y'all can see, I've had a fantastic experience here. I highly recommend it. If you're thinking about getting in the trading world, if somebody like me can do it, anybody can do it because I had zero knowledge. Highly recommend Blue Cap. And by the way, I want to show you guys that this is a live, actual real account, so check this out. Boom, live account. Let's check this out. And we got $14,533 in only a month of trading. Brand new.